Becky Varner, a food columnist with The Oklahoman, and today we are talking about the importance of staying hydrated and preventing dehydration during the hot months of summer. Water is a very important nutrient, and in fact, it is in every cell, every tissue, and every organ of our body, and it's also a part of almost every life-sustaining process that goes on in the body. It has lots of functions, and one of those functions is to regulate body temperature, which again is particularly important during the hot months of summer. One of the very best ways to be able to have plenty of water is just to have a big old mug of water, a glass of water to sip on throughout the day, and that's a great option. But there are other options as well. Other beverages have water. For example, skim milk is a great option. There are lots of nutrients in skim milk, and it can be used as a beverage to get a significant amount of water. We want to discourage the high sugar beverages that would provide just calories from sugar and few, if any, nutrients. So it's better to get those beverages that would either be water or those that would provide nutrients as well. There are lots of foods that provide nutrients and provide water, and a couple of them that we're going to talk about today are fruits and vegetables, which those are among the highest water containing foods that we have. We're going to be actually doing two versions of one recipe. It's a fruit slush recipe, and we're doing one with watermelon. We have 2 cups of watermelon, and I'm going to put that in my blender. And for those of you that might not want to use a large watermelon, we now have the little personal size watermelons that are just great to be able to use. I've got 1 cup of frozen strawberries, and you can use fresh and freeze them yourself if you want, or you can use the frozen ones, no sugar added. Those are the only 2 ingredients that are going to go in this. I'm going to turn the blender on quickly. And there we go. There's our watermelon strawberry slush. And I'm going to go ahead and take this and pour this in a glass that we've garnished with a strawberry. Let you see how pretty this is, just delicious. These beverages are not only very nutritious, but they're very refreshing. The second way that we're going to do this is with another type of melon, a cassava melon. For those of you that may not be familiar with cassava, this is what they look like. And I'm using 2 cups of the cassava. Cassava is a white meat of the melon, and we're going to use mango with that. Again, you can use 1 cup of either fresh mango that you have washed and peeled and diced and frozen, or you can use the frozen mango. So we have 1 cup of that, and I'm going to put my lid on here and again blend this. And there we go. And I've got a glass that I have garnished with an actual mango chunk, and we'll fill this with our cassava melon mango slush, and we have another version of this same recipe, absolutely delicious.